Hello guys, this is Fred and let's analyze this. So we are using AdventureWorks 2014 and the question says provide a list of the top 5 employees with the highest vacation hours. So right out of the bat, I try to divide this and then I say, okay, so what are we looking for? We are looking for top 5, so not even that yet. Let's just say we are looking for employees, right? I can spell employees and then vacation hours. Okay, so then what we the second step is we need to try to find what tables have this information. So if you go to the let's take a look in human select staff from human resources that employees. If you take a look in there, let's see what is in there. Okay, so that has business entity ID, that has vacation hours. Okay, so then let's see where else can we find the names of people. So let's say select star from person, that person. Let's see here. Okay, so that has the names of people. So what we can do is, we can join these two. We can join these. I should probably not run these two together like this, but if you take a look, they both have business entity ID as a key that we can join on because they have both have the business entity ID as a primary key. So what we can do is this. So we can do select star from person that person, and then we can alias this as PP. And then we can do inner join human resources that employee. And we can also alias this as HE. And then we can do on pp dot business entity ID equals he dot business entity ID. Okay, no, not a birthday, business entity ID, and then we'll just format this a bit, and then we will execute. Let's see. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let's take a look here. Right, business entity ID one. Okay, all right. So now that we have those two tables joined together, so that we can kind of try to arrange things like we wanted. So we are trying to find the top 5 employees with the highest vacation hours, right? So let's do top 5, and then we can do the first name, and then last name, and then we can do vacation hours, right? Okay, so let's run that and just take a look at something here. All right, so we have what I'm looking for is the highest, right? So before I even do the top 5, what I'd like to do is just go ahead and just do the grouping. So we'll do order by what is it, vacation hours, and we'll do descending. We'll do descending. Sorry, yeah, so we'll do descending, right? All right, let me just format this a bit. All right, so kind of just explain. So we have the first name, the last name, and then the vacation hours. Now, what we are looking for is the top 5, right? So at this point, if you take a look at this, so 1 to 5, you see that there is a couple of duplicates here. So you want to ask the business, hey, do you want to have repeating vacation hours? So if an employee, if 2 employees have the same number of vacation hours, should we repeat them, or you just want the top 5 based off of the query? So at this point, you want to ask the business, and usually, you'll want to, in the situation like that, they will want, the the people with the highest vacation hours. So if there is repeating, then obviously we'll go ahead and repeat them. So I think we'll do if we do top five, let me show you something. If we do top five, it'll bring you, it'll give you five records, right? But then, technically all of these, one, two, three, they're all 99, right? 98, right? So these will be the top five. But then if we do, top five with ties, right? Now once we do that, we'll change the dynamics a bit. So we'll give you six records because 99 repeats once and then 98 repeats once. So this will be the top five, and then that means that the other one does not repeat. So this will be the top five employees with the highest vacation hours. So that's for Phil's day this query. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, if maybe I did something wrong, let me know in the comments and let's talk about it. And then we are all here to learn. So let me know, and then happy happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.